Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the environment and gathering immediate evidence. Verify the staging snapshot matches production, schema, envars, and secrets, so you're not chasing a config drift. Then, inspect deploy logs and container status to find exit codes or restart loops. These tell you why services fail. Once done, run quick smoke tests against 3 core endpoints and 1 auth flow to reproduce the issue. This narrows scope fast and lets you pick the correct repair path. You now dig into the middle steps, trace the full request flow, ingress, service, database, and capture timing, error messages, and stack traces so you understand where latency or failures originate. Compare the change set that landed on staging. Commits, migrations, or dependency bumps often explain regressions. Make a targeted fix in a feature branch, adjust config, roll back a migration, or pin a dependency, and add focused unit and integration tests. Once applied, redeploy to staging and observe. You finish by validating the corrected build and promoting it through staging while running full end-to-end and load tests to ensure stability under expected traffic. Document the root cause, the rollback plan, and any follow-up tasks so the team can prevent recurrence. Then, make sure to run post-deploy checks for metrics, error rates, and latency. If things still fail, collect comprehensive logs, recreate the issue locally or in an isolated sandbox, and escalate with the evidence you gathered to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.